The dying sky. It began in Sector 7V, an old dying star collapsing, not into a black hole, but into silence. Astronomers saw it on every wavelength, except sound. Then came the pulse, a low-frequency vibration, not heard but felt. Across thousands of systems, instruments picked it up like a heartbeat, one that wasn't ours. The rhythm of collapse. The signal came at regular intervals, every 112 hours. With each pulse, something changed. Magnetic fields spiked, gravity readings distorted. Dark matter around the region began fluctuating unnaturally. The universe itself was reacting, as if the fabric of space-time was being played, like an instrument. The last message of Ophera Prime. The planet Ophera Prime had been a hub of interstellar research. Its last recorded broadcast was a panicked scream followed by a single image. People suspended mid-motion, frozen like statues, eyes wide with terror. No explosion, no fire, just stillness. Then silence. The hollow pulse had passed through. Echo map. A predictive model was built, mapping out every location the pulse had touched. It moved in deliberate spirals, as if following a design too vast for organic minds to grasp. And at its center, an empty void. No stars, no radiation, no matter, just nothing. As though something had fed and moved on. The Pulse Eater, deep space probe sent to the center of the wave, never returned. But one, for a brief 23 seconds, streamed back a silhouette. Not mechanical, not biological, something in between. It didn't move. It absorbed. As though it was listening, waiting for the next beat to drop. Something that ate sound. The Builder's Warning. On a dead moon, geologists uncovered carvings from a species that predated known civilization. The glyphs pulsed with the same frequency. A single symbol translated roughly as, "Beware the breathless one." The builders had known. They tried to warn whoever came next, but their voice had long been drowned out. The Resonance War recovered documents from the Ashari species, a race now extinct, spoke of a resonance war. They'd once tried to weaponize sound across the quantum spectrum. They lost. The final logs mention a counterwave created by the Breathless One. Not just a weapon, a cleansing. Entire armies reduced to memory and vibration. Earth's first pulse. Then it reached us. Earth's atmosphere distorted slightly for 6.3 seconds. Oceans stilled. The moon resonated like a bell. And every sleeping child on the planet whispered the same word, in unison. Hollow. The pulse had brushed us. A whisper. A warning, a promise. The anti-frequency. Desperate, humanity's brightest minds attempted to fight back. Using quantum harmonics, they built the anti-frequency engine, designed to disrupt the pulse with an opposing tone. It was never activated. On the eve of its first test, every component in the facility turned to dust. No explosion, no heat, just silence. The final beat. The galaxy now waits for the next pulse. Not if, but when. Some believe we're merely a note in a cosmic melody, destined to fade. Others think the pulse is a test, separating noise from signal. Whatever it is, one thing is clear. Something is listening, and when it hears enough, it will come. Outro tease, the Iron Moon Ascension. Next time, a species that chose not to evolve, but to upgrade. And now, they want us to join the Iron Moon Ascension.